YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, this reading is for all zodiac signs for your coming week. So this is a timeless reading, and whenever you will click on this link from that particular day, these energies are going to be applicable for you for a time frame of a week. So let us begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the Aries zodiac sign. How is the coming week going to be for Aries zodiac sign friends? Wow. So dear friends, I see that this coming week is going to be a week of victory for you. I see you have been struggling a lot. You have been very courageous. You have fought all your battles very wisely as well. You did not give up on the tough situations, the tough timings, they say. Might be you were working very hard on a situation from a very long time, and there was a lot of stress. There was a lot of physical pain also involved in this situation. Might be you were feeling drained in your body. It is possible that some of you were actually going through some kind of a health issue. Others of you had a situation, might be in the work area or in the relationship area, where there was a discontent, dissatisfaction, and kind of a fight within the family or the team in which you were working, and you were being defensive. You were fighting for someone very and being supportive for them, and in this coming week you are going to be victorious. A lot of name, fame and recognition is coming towards you. It is possible that for some of our friends, I see that Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign is very evident. Your energy is very high in this week. You have fought many battles. Yes, dear friends, beautiful. We have the Rider card, which tells me that it is a period of a lot of success for you. Travel can be involved in this week. Some kind of an upgrade is coming towards you. It can be in your professional life, or it can be in your relationship area or your health, victory, success, name, fame, recognition, public. You are coming into public eye. Something of sorts is happening with you, dear friends. I'm feeling very happy for you. It's a period of some kind of, for some people it can be a time of their marriages being fixed. And there is a card, unlikely, which says that there was a certain situation on your mind which you thought would manifest in a certain way, but the angels say that they have another divine plan for it, and so this situation is unlikely to manifest as per your way, but it will be in fact manifesting in a different way, which is the divine plan of the spirit. Beautiful, dear friends, beautiful energies for you. Very victorious time for my Aries friends. Yes, again, I was feeling that there is a journey, because definitely. So here we have a card which says horse, short journey. Then here in this card, we see the person riding a horse. Again, it's a journey, and here as well, victorious on a horse. So, yes, there is a small journey that you might be taking, and if someone was planning for a residential move or travel through work, yes, this is a very good time frame, and they want to confirm the month of March for you. Might be your manifestations occur in the month of March. Very, very beautiful time frame for you, my Aries friends. Enjoy thoroughly well this name, fame, recognition. Your solar plexus chakra is healed. You are drawing a lot of public towards you. It can be some kind of a stage performance also that you're giving in this week. It's a beautiful, beautiful week for you ahead. Enjoy thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes. So moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the sign of Taurian friends. Let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So flipped right away, Two of Rods. So dear friends, I see that there has been an ending. For my Taurian friends, there has been some sort of an ending in their life. For some of them, it can be it can literally mean a death in a family, or an end of a painful cycle for them. It can be an ending in a certain relationship or a job environment, or some kind of a friendship has ended, some kind of a partnership has ended. The zodiac signs which I see very evident over here are that of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the coming week, you are going to be planning for an expansion. It is possible that you are planning for some kind of an offer that is coming towards you, and you have two choices to make, and you are being guided to come out of your small world into the expanded world outside. So you have to choose that option which is more expansive for you. Some of you can also plan some kind of a travel or a trip. I see that a partnership is heading towards you in the coming week. It is a very progressive week. It seems to be very, very active week for you as well. There is a lot of planning that you are going to do in this week, and you are going to have a very balanced approach. I see that your mind, body, and soul are gaining a lot of balance. You are gaining a lot of clarity of mind. You or another person involved in this situation is very clear as to what you want to plan ahead. If this is for a relationship scenario, yes, the person you are seeking or becoming partnership with is very clear headed person. You can trust them. If this is for a business, work, career also, yes, go for it. In case of a health scenario, I feel that some of you have undergone a lot many tests, or might be a surgery or something like that, and you're gaining balance in your body now. So there's a card of let go over here, which tells me that whatever has happened in past, either you ended a certain relationship or a job or a business or something like that. Might be you were clinging on a person and you have let them go now. So the angels are suggesting that it is a time to let go of what no longer serves you. What no longer serves you. Yeah, that is what they want to say. Let go of what no longer serves you. And dog close up, they say pleasure with a close friend. Yeah, so Two of Rods is an energy of a partnership. It is possible that there is a partnership or there is a get together you're planning with your friends. It is going to be a very, very good get together, or might be you're doing some kind of a plan with your pleasure with a close friend. Beautiful. And then they say valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Yeah, great. So this is a beautiful time frame for you. This partnership that you're heading towards, or this travel plan, or this forward movement which you are doing, wherein you are coming out of your small shell into the outside world, this is recommended for you. And you do not stress a lot about this situation. Just let go and let God in this situation, and this will manifest for you beautifully. This is a very beautiful week for you. Enjoy it thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to my Taurian friends. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the Gemini zodiac sign. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini zodiac sign friends. Coming week for our Gemini zodiac sign friends. Sun, Moon, Rising sign, whichever you resonate with the most can be your prediction over here. For the Gemini zodiac sign. Okay. So I see you have been struggling a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. So my Gemini friends have been struggling a lot, and mostly I feel in their commitments it can either be with regard to their marriage commitment, or it can be with regard to the health of their mother or father, or might be in your spirituality, the lessons that you are taking for spirituality, or going through some kind of an awakening. You are struggling a lot. I see that there is, in the coming week, there is a scenario wherein you are feeling some kind of an imbalance occurring in your home life or your office life, or might be your love relationship, your family life. Some kind of a stability is shaking around you, and you are becoming very, very negative. You are having a lot of negative thoughts regarding this situation which you were manifesting, which you thought was your 11/11 moment, and you are being very defensive regarding this situation. Definitely it can be for some people regarding a commitment or a marriage that was either fixed, a ceremony was had already taken place, either some kind of marriage fixation, like so we hear a God's song over here. Some kind of a blessing will come towards you, and so I feel that some kind of a roka or an engagement ceremony had taken place, which might have got broken, and so there is a lot of stress happening around this situation. Let us see what is the guidance from the universe. For some of my friends, I feel there is a situation regarding their home environment. Some kind of an instability has happened, but this is so beautiful. If you were looking for a clear yes no answer, For my Gemini friends, the answer to your question is a yes from the universe. Might be the struggles you are going through and you are being defensive. You're not giving up on this relationship or this work scenario or your health or your healings. This is going to manifest for you big time. So you are being courageous. You are living up to your commitments. So I hear a song of God which just started playing just as I started doing your reading, and you have divine blessings coming towards you. If you people can hear this song in the background, somebody just played a song of God over here. In fact, it is so beautiful. I feel that this week is going to be blessed for many of my friends. So there is a card of cloud which tells me that a situation which is very unclear right now and you're very much stressed, I suggest you people take healings for your third eye chakra, and so you're going to get clarity and be very positive, because the universe is saying that whatever health your mother or your father is going through, or whatever situation you are going through at present, even if it is with regard to your commitments in a job or a family, yes, over here they tell me that you can be shown the way. This is very beautiful, because and I have goosebumps all over, which tells me that there is a vague situation wherein you feel that you are going to lose everything of yours, and they say you will receive or you will give or receive a precious gift, and there's a diamond ring over here. For some of you, don't worry so much about this situation. If there was a commitment that was done for marriage, I feel that yes, this commitment, you are going to get married to this person who came and gave the commitment to you, or this job is going to come to you, or this person who is suffering health issues a lot is going to come out of this kind of a. And I see now they have played a music of some kind of a party or dance or something like this. So I feel that some kind of a celebration is about to manifest in your life very soon. Be courageous, don't give up, fight your battles. You are just about to close a cycle, painful cycle now, and your blessings are just waiting for you. So I wish you all the best, my Gemini friends. Lots of love and best wishes. There is a lot of hope for you. So moving on to my Cancerian friends. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. God, universe, Holy Spirits, please give me guidance as to how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. Don't know why I don't feel like taking this card like this. So let me just check with the divine. I feel that the card they want to give me is upright. So dearest angels, do you want to give me this Four of Rods card upright for my Cancerian friends? I feel they want to give it to me upright. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Some kind of a celebration in your home or your workplace. Some kind of an invitation. You're moving towards calmer times. It's a beautiful time frame for my Cancerian friends. I feel that they were working very hard, be it in their work area, jobs, businesses, careers, or be it in their home relationship areas. They were working very hard, although there were fights in the team, in the relations. They were going through a lot of physical stress and mental stress. But in this coming week, the time is going to be very auspicious for them. They are going to have a lot of stability in their work life, or in their as well in their office life. I feel that they are moving towards calmer time, and they have, during this Mercury retrograde season, they have worked a lot on their relationships and their work areas, and now there is a person who can be a middle person for them, who will help them in the manifestation of 1111 moment. It can be a job offer which comes to you, might be which involves some kind of a travel, or it can be a very very happy celebratory moment for them. Might be for some people some kind of an engagement, roka, or marriage is being fixed, or might be you are attending some kind of a celebration or a function. There can be birthdays or something that you are celebrating in this week, and you are feeling very joyous, a lot of positive energy around you, and you are planting flowers at your home, some kind of a pets also around you. And let's see, it's a very very beautiful time frame, and I feel that your luck is, your karma is paying you now. Some kind of something, you're decorating your home, something with regard to your home. Either somebody's coming to your home, or somebody's leaving your home, or some kind of a decoration, or you're working from home. Yes, dear friends, we see a key. So I feel that some of you are purchasing a home, or opening an inauguration of a home, or might be a land place for you is taking, you're buying a place for your home or office, or might be you've decided to work from home and start your own business. You've got the key to all the locks that were not open before. A lot of clarity is coming towards you, and the universe says communicate clearly. Communicating clearly is your key. And dear friends, if you can hear in the background, there is a party music playing, so I feel that it is going to be a very festive kind of a time frame for you. You're going to thoroughly enjoy yourself. There's so much content, happiness happening. All you need to do is communicate well with your friends and family members. And there is a month of April that they want to highlight for you. So if you were looking for some kind of a job opportunity to manifest for you, that can happen in the month of April 2021. So might be you're joining a job from this time frame. And we have love manifesting for some people. Might be a marriage is going to be happening for you in this time frame. Let's see one more card. So I feel that your heart chakra is healing. Then we have spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. This is so beautiful. A lot of healing is coming towards you. Yes, I forgot to mention this, that a lot of healing is coming towards my Cancerian friends. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Yes. So for some of my Cancerian friends, I feel that they are traveling either towards spirituality, towards calmer times, towards God or divine. There is a journey towards God and divine that you are taking. Some of you are going to heal your throat chakra, and you are going to be able to communicate clearly to the people around you. And the problems that you were going through are going to be solved in this week for you. I wish you all the best. A very very beautiful week of celebrations. There is a reason for you to celebrate in this week, and I thoroughly congratulate you. You're opening your heart chakra. You are moving towards spirituality. Lot of stability and balance is coming in your body, mind, and soul. And there is a journey towards divine that you're taking in this week. Beautiful time frame. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to all of my Cancerian friends. So let's see. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the sign of my Virgo friends. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Virgo friends. So I just had a one card that just peeped out was the moon card, which makes me feel that your subconscious mind is very fearful during this time of something that you are fearing might occur. So I feel that there is some kind of a fear in your subconscious mind. Might be during your last week you were going through some kind of a situation that you don't want something to occur, and you hold a kind of a fear in your mind. So Empress over here, the energy of Empress tells me that either you as a person is going to outshine. Oh my god, there's a beautiful energy around you. My god, my god, my god. Wonderful. So my Virgo friends, there is a good news for my Virgo friends. I feel that they have been releasing a lot of negative thought patterns. They are coming out of a period of stress, anxiety. Their third eye chakra has been healed or is healing at present. They are releasing their egos that were there with people around them or situations around them. There is a new perspective coming towards them, and so many thoughts that were there in their head which were giving them sleepless nights, or might be the headaches that they were going through, are coming out. I feel that my Virgo friends at present are having some kind of a healing. So now in the coming week, the energies for you are very, very strong. For some of my Virgo friends, I feel that your mother, either she is a healer or she is a teacher, or your wife is a healer or a teacher. And these people are going to be very evident. A Taurus sign person for my Virgo friends can be very evident during this week. Other zodiac signs which I see are Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very, very evident for you. There is a blessing that is heading towards you in the coming week. It can be a blessing on your mother, or it can be a blessing from your teacher to you, or it can be a blessing from a very, very wise person. Can be your father, your grandfather, your parents can be evident in this week. There's a blessing that is coming from your parents to you, or there is a blessing that is coming from your teachers, ancestors, or your deceased loved ones in heaven. I can say it's a very beautiful time frame for you. One, you are feeling very abundant, you are feeling very beautiful, handsome, you are feeling very wise, you are holding a position of a very strong person who is absolutely balanced in their mind, body, soul. You are a very compassionate person. Your divine feminine and your divine masculine is very balanced in this week, coming week. You are feeling abundant. You are nurturing your relationships. It's a beautiful time frame. Your relationships, your people around you are nurturing you as well. You are nurturing your relationships. There's a lot of blessing coming towards you, and there's a lot of self-love, wisdom coming towards you. Your heart chakra is opening, your third eye chakra is opening. I just can't tell you how beautiful I feel the energies. Yes, for some of my friends, there is a communication from a big organization and offer of abundance. If you were seeking for job or some kind of business opportunity, yes, it is coming towards you from a big organization. For some of my friends who wanted to manifest marriage, a commitment of marriage is coming towards you. Yes, for some of my friends, there is an information from a school that is going to be a blessing, either for a mother. There is going to be an information from a school that can be a blessing. For some of my friends who are spiritual healers, you are going to come in contact with a healer who is going to uplift your energies, or maybe there is a person or an institute around you which connects with you and gives you some kind of a blessing. We have a card of sight which tells me that now is the time to cut your cords from negative people and situations and places. So this is a time wherein you should be cutting your cords with negative people, places and situation and come into your power. This is a very, very powerful time frame for my Virgo friends. Commitments, marriages, new jobs, offers, new schools, and the month of June is going to be evident for some of my friends. If there was a question on their mind with regard to manifestation of something, the month of June is some kind of a blessing is going to come to you in the month of June, or might be something you did in the month of June 2020 is going to bring a blessing towards you. You are becoming a spiritual healer, or there is a spiritual healer around you. There is a very wise teacher around you. Strong emotions, passionate love or hate. So this week you are going to experience very, very strong emotions, either passionate love or hate. That kind of a situation is going to be there. Then they say cracked cup, dissatisfaction with life. I feel that you need to cut your cords from the people with whom, people, places or situations which caused you dissatisfaction in life. Then there is another month of July which they want to highlight. So months of June and July are very, very evident for some of my friends. I feel the manifestation of their spirituality, the strength in their body, the manifestation of the jobs or a particular marriage commitments or schools, whatever they are seeking for, this thing is going to begin for you in June or July. A certain offer can come towards you, but all in all, I can say that there is a blessing from your ancestors, your deceased loved ones in heaven, or there is a big blessing from your mother which is coming towards you, or from your teachers, institutes, from your father. Somebody, either your mother or father, is a healer, and you need to have a peaceful resolution in a certain situation and trust the divine and have a peaceful resolution. All of the problems that you are going through at present are going to sort out, and there is a big blessing that is coming towards you in the coming week. Very, very beautiful time frame for you as well. I will say that it is a very major week for you, and majorly blessed week, wherein you are going to release a lot of negativity from your body, and you are going to gain a position of authority is coming for you. A position of authority, yes, I can say, with some responsibility as well. Name, fame, recognition. Beautiful time ahead for my Virgo friends. Lots of love and best wishes to my Virgo friends. Moving on to our Libra friends. How is the coming week going to be for our Libran friends? Energies of the coming week for our Libran friends. Energies of the coming week for our Libran friends. And we have a card. Lover is so beautiful. Wow. Heart chakra is healed. Soulmate soulmate connections, soul family connecting with you. And dear friends, there was a situation for my, this is so beautiful, this is so beautiful, this is so beautiful. I absolutely know what the message divine wants to give. So there was a situation for my Libran friends where they were hanged like a hanged man. They were having a lot of patience, and they were stuck in a certain situation and waiting with patience from a very long time. There were people around them who were deceptive, who were cheating, who were stealing, who were taking a lot from them. There were people who were negative, situations which were negative, and my Libran friends wanted to get away from these situations which were causing them negativity in their life. In the coming week, you are going to release these situations wherein the people, places, and situations which were negative, which were draining your energy, which were only taking from you, which were deceptive, which were cheaters, which were thieves, are going to move away from you. You are going to cut your cords, and there is going to be a lot of harmony in your relationships. You are going to have soulmate connections, be it with your partner, be it with your family, brothers, sisters, siblings, everybody. There is going to be peace, harmony, there is going to be soulmate connections, divine blessings. For some of my Libran friends, you were waiting on love, and love is soulmate love is going to manifest for you in this coming week. For some of my friends who were waiting for moving from some jobs or some career or businesses which were not giving you satisfaction, in the coming week you are going to get many options, many opportunities of moving from these situations. It's a blissfully blessed week for you, with very harmonious energies around you. And I feel very very happy for my Libran friends, because they have been persisting a lot. They have been having patience. Letter, dear friends, yes, an opportunity of manifestation of love. This can be a love letter for somebody. This can be an opportunity of an appointment letter for a job, or for some kind of a business proposal, or some kind of a professional proposal, or some kind of a report on someone's health, or some kind of someone's child getting an admission. This letter, this some kind of a document might be a manifestation of home, and for some people is going to bring a lot of stability in your energies, and all of the negativity that you were going through during the Mercury retrograde season is going to vanish now. And we have advice from a friend, dog barking. So there is a very dear friend around you who is going to give you very beautiful, very nice advice. You have soulmate friends, connections with friends. And then we have, you will be taken care of in a difficult time. This is so beautiful. So dear friends, if you have been suffering a difficult time where there were people around you who were taking a lot from you, or with whom you've had a very very argumentative kind of a situation, or who were draining your energy, who were not true to you, so there is a divine guidance coming for you, wherein they say that you will be taken care in the difficult times. And they say ask for help from others. Yeah, so there is a very very loving, kind, spiritual friend might be around you who can be of help to you. So you can ask for help in the situations where you are feeling drained. You can ask for help, and the angels want to confirm you that big happy changes are ahead for you, and your patience is going to pay. And for many of my Librans, I feel that the situations that you went through during the Mercury retrograde season, during the past 7 to 10 days, has changed your perspective on seeing a certain situation. And On the background, I hear a music which is very peppy, which is like a party time ahead for you, and big happy changes are coming for you in the coming week. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. So very, very beautiful time frame for you. Lots of love and blessings for my Libran friends. I wish you all the best. I hope that this letter brings a good luck for you. So great. Now moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio friends. Let's see what's coming ahead the coming week for my Scorpio friends. So I hear some music like a celebration already happening. Let's see what is coming ahead. Wow, amazing. Beautiful energy for my Scorpion friends. You are ending one life chapter. There is a life chapter that you are closing. There is an ending. Let's see. Oh my god, I can oh my god, and I can hear a very, very celebratory music happening. I feel that either you are attending some kind of a marriage ceremony, some kind of a roka engagement, marriage, some kind of a ceremony you are already attending, or you have it on your mind. There is a manifestation of marriage happening for some of my Scorpion friends in the coming week. It's a very, very big week for my Scorpion friends. You are moving ahead of the times which were deceptive, wherein you were backstabbed by people, places and situations. All of the negativity you're leaving behind. You're moving on to a new chapter of your life with the Wheel of Fortune and the World card. There is a shift in your destiny that is happening, heading towards a lot of prosperity. I also feel that, for some of my Scorpion friends, this is a manifestation of a move to another country. If they were looking for that, there is an ending which has happened in your life, and this ending has happened for good, and now you are moving on to a new chapter. It is possible that some of you were looking for jobs, businesses or professions, and you are in the coming week it is going to manifest for you big time. Something big is manifesting for you, and if you are wishing to play lottery, it's a very good time frame for you. Go ahead. I feel that you can win some kind of a lottery, if not a big amount, something you're going to win. For some of you, there is a manifestation of a home, and yes, with this house card, I also feel that marriage and movement. For some, there can be marriage and movement to a new home. For some, there can be travel and movement. For some, there can be manifestation of a job in another country or a place and a movement with that. And with the stock card, I feel that yes, there is a birth of a child for some of my friends. A new project, a birth of a child. Some of my friends are admitting their children into schools. There is a new phase that is starting in their life. Either they are adopting kids, or there is an admission in a school or a college, or some of my friends in their family life there is marriage manifesting, some kind of a celebration happening, or some kind of lottery money is coming to you. And we have a lion card which says time to act. So dear friends, in the coming week the time is to act now. You have a lot of courage, and I see many opportunities coming towards you, because I feel a lot of you have been able to clear your chakras. Big time manifestations are happening for my friends. A beautiful time ahead. Handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important. I feel that manifestation of marriage commitments. Either you are attending some marriages or commitments wherein you are seeing people and fixing your own marriage, or there is a meeting with a stranger with whom you are going to start to work with them, or there is some kind of a healing that is going to come towards you from this person who is heading into your life. It's a very, very beautiful time frame for my Scorpion friends, a manifestation of a new home, new business, new ventures, property, money, marriages, commitments, destiny shift, jobs, businesses, prosperity, healing on the health for some of my Scorpion friends. If you were going through some kind of an ailment, a healing or a blessing on your health is coming. Some of you are going to start your online business and achieve success in that. Lots of love and best wishes to my Scorpion friends. Enjoy thoroughly well in this week. Lots of love, lots of love. Moving on to the sign of, dear friends, I missed one zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo. I missed the zodiac sign of Leo. So moving on to my Leo zodiac sign, let's see what are the energies for our Leo zodiac sign. So Leo zodiac sign, which was missed over here, I'm moving on to the Leo zodiac sign after the Scorpio zodiac sign, and I'm going to check the cards and the energies for the coming week for my Leo friends. And I feel the coming week is mostly, good for a lot of my friends. Let's see what's the energy for my Leo zodiac sign. For my lionesses and my lions, how's the coming week going to be for my Leo zodiac sign friends? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, love is manifesting it for my Leo zodiac signs. A lot of healing is coming in their life. Manifestation of soulmate relationships. If you were looking for love, my dear Leo zodiac sign people, you are going to manifest love with a zodiac sign person of Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius or Gemini. These zodiac signs are very evident. There is a manifestation. This is a week of manifestation for you. If you have an offer of love for somebody, approach them. Yes, it is going to manifest for you. If they have an offer for you, it might come to you. It's a big time manifestation week. Listen to your intuition. You are being guided. Archangel Michael is with you. All of infinite capabilities are there for you to manifest whatever you want to manifest in this week. And for some of my friends who want to manifest work from home, yes, I feel that for some of my friends a job had ended for them in past and they wanted an opportunity to work from home, and they have many options. And this is a week wherein there can be a middle person there, wherein transformation is going to occur for you, and you are going to be able to manifest this work from home opportunity for you. For other friends who were seeking a job, career or business advancement, yes, there is a middle person who is going to come to you, who is going to help in the transformation process of and give you options for manifestation of this job opportunity or any kind of. There's a lot of healing coming towards you, or might be my Leo friends were already taking healings. There was a healer around them who has helped them open their heart chakra, and now they have gained back their power again. They are feeling very much in their power. They are feeling. Some of my Leo friends can also be healers, and in your healing, while you're giving healings or while you're doing your card readings or any kind of occult, you are a magician. Absolutely, whatever you are saying is manifesting. Whatever you are doing, whatever healings you are doing, you are absolutely like a magician. Very beautiful energies for you. Soulmate families are connecting for you. Wow, amazing. So many cards. There's a house over here. For some of you, there is a movement into a new house, or some house might be a house of your kids or your own house. Might be some of you are manifesting marriage, and so there is a movement, or might be some of you were looking for opportunities to move to another country or a state. Yes, some kind of a manifestation of a home, material pleasures, ring. Oh my god, if you were looking for a commitment of marriage, there is a card of ring, and this ring card also tells me that commitment for a marriage as well, for a business opportunity or a job or a home. This is a card of commitment, or a big time commitment is coming towards you, because you healed your uh, you healed your karma. You took past life healings from our healing souls channel, or might be there was a lot of karma which was attached, and your healings, the healings that you have been taking or might be giving, has helped you release a lot of past life karma. And as a result, now in this week there is a time of manifestation of love for you, manifestation of marriage, manifestation of a home, settlement, good health, spirituality, as well job, career, movement, everything. This is a week of manifestation for my Leo friends. A beautiful time frame, loving it for them. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, marriage. And especially over here, I want to give a shout out to my friend Annie over here. If you are listening to this reading, Annie, this is a week of manifestation of marriage for you. Annie is Leo. Annie is also a healer. Annie is also a card reader. Annie, if you're listening, this week can be a week of manifestation of marriage for you. Beautiful week, and all of my Leo friends, I wish you lots of love. Lots of blessings are coming towards you, and I'm absolutely feeling so happy. Look at this card. This is so beautiful. So many roses and rings. Some kind of a commitment is coming. This is so beautiful. Health is perfect for my Leo friends within the next few weeks. Yes, dear friends, I feel that the manifestation is going to start in this week, and within the next few weeks, not far away, within the month of February and March only, some kind of a commitment is going to happen for you. Definitely. Lots of love and best wishes to all of my Leo friends. I'm just loving it. I can't tell you how happy I am for you, dear Leo friends, because you have been able to clear your ego, your blockages, and you're operating from your heart now. That is why you are manifesting these big things in your life now. Lots of love and best wishes to my Leo friends, and from Leo I'm straight away going to the Sagittarius sign now. So moving on to my Sagittarius sign friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. Let's see. Okay, so for my Sagittarius friends, I feel that there is a person around them who can be zodiac signs of Capricorn, Virgo, Gemini, Leo, Capricorn. Yes, Capricorn sign is very evident. Taurus, and they are feeling very much choked, jailed, or dominated by this person. So my Sagittarius friends, in the coming week, either they have felt very much dominated or suffocated or choked with this person, or they are already feeling a lot of choking and discontent with this person. They feel, my Scorpio friends are wishing some kind of a financial independence also. They are wishing some kind of a space and independence for themselves. Some of you were building on something. Either you were building on beautiful relationships in the past weeks, you were with your kids, or might be with your grandkids, or you were building on a home or something, some kind of a construction on your mind, or building on a relationship, or you were building some kind of a project in your workplace. But in the coming week, I see you as if there are people, places, or situations around you which are dominating and suffocating you, and you want to run away from this person who is very dominating, suffocating, and choking you, who takes away your freedom. So I see you wishing for a lot of independence, and in the coming week, let's see what is the guidance for you. Even in a job scenario, I feel some of my friends who are working in a team are absolutely feeling that their teammates or their boss is very suffocating on them, or might be asking for some kind of physical desires also from them, and they are feeling very much choked in this scenario. So they want to become independent, leave this job situation, business, or their this kind of a situation, professional situation, and they want to start something of their own. So there is a negativity around my Sagittarius friends which they want to come out, and for some of my Sagittarius friends, I feel that this negativity is some kind of a devil which resides within you only. Yes, so they say listen to your intuition and forgiveness. So I feel that this negative emotion that is blocked in your body is the unforgiveness that you have for this person around you, and the divine says over here clearly, for the situations that you are going through, you need to listen to your intuition in the coming week, and you need to open your heart to forgiveness. I suggest that you take these healings from our YouTube channel. And then we have the card of lilies and the card of letter over here, which tells me that some kind of a good news awaits you just as you release these negative blockages in your body. You take forgiveness and letting go healing from our YouTube channel, and you will realize that there is no one else who can suffocate you more than you yourself. You are giving your power away to this person who is around you, who is choking you, suffocating you, and making you do everything on their terms and conditions. For some of my friends who were seeking new jobs or business opportunity, there is a letter, an appointment which is going to come towards them, which can make them have this opportunity of independence. Some kind of a good news can come, either some document or financial benefit can come towards you. Something that will give you a happy news is coming towards you. At least that is some kind of an invitation can be for you for something from the school. Bull, they say, do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. So yes, so in order to fight against this person who is devil, who has some ulterior motives for you, they say do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. But I feel that take some healings and rather heal yourself and then fight against this person. Then we have firecrackers, excitement. I feel this letter is going to bring you some kind of excitement. Then we have roaster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yes, I feel that there is an arrogant, boastful person around you. You should not cross this person. So I don't know, there is a person definitely around you who is very negative, who is dominating you, who is creating some kind of an environment around you, and I wish you all the best. And you've got to listen to your intuition towards the I think initial 3-4 days you are going to feel this kind of dominating energy. Towards the end of the week or the mid of the week, there is going to be a letter or some kind of an exciting news which is going to bring you freedom. I feel I just feel that ways. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to my Sagittarius friends. Lots of power to you to fight against these demons, whether they are your own or there are people around you, situations. I hope you are strong enough to fight for yourself. to our Capricorn friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Coming week for our Capricorn friends, what are going to be the energies? So there are two cards. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I feel that my Capricorn friends were looking for some kind of a stability. Now this can be some kind of a property on their mind or some kind of a financial stability that they were looking for, or might be some of them were being greedy also, holding too tight to their finances, their properties, their relationships, and in the process of holding very tightly to their relationships, to their I feel that in the coming week there is going to be a lot of healing in your relationships. There is going to be a manifestation of some kind of a new home environment for you, or maybe a new job, that work from home environment for you. A lot of healing is coming towards you. There is a Cancer person around you who is a healer, who has an offer of love for you. It can be a manifestation of literally something in your home. There can be a manifestation of a home or property for some of you. For others of you, I feel there is a Libran person who is very balanced, who is offering you a cup of love and settlement in some kind of a situation which was causing you a lot of greed or uncertainty in past. So I feel in the coming week there is going to be some kind of a celebration. There is a manifestation of marriage happening for some of my friends with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion, or Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person, or Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus energy is also very evident in this. These signs are very, very evident for you. For some of my friends, I feel that you are becoming a healer. There is an opportunity of you giving healings or starting your work from home as a healer. For some of my friends, there is a healing that is coming towards you from a spiritual healer or a doctor, or somebody who is bringing stability in your health or some kind of an environment in your home or family. It's an 11-11 moment for you, a manifestation of a big time project for you that is happening. Blessing from divine, blessing from your parents, deceased loved ones is coming towards you. There are going to be reasons to celebrate for you. A beautiful time for some of my friends. There can be a manifestation of childbirth happening. Let's see. Stability. Something you are doing in your home or office. Decorating your, so there was mice. There was a situation wherein things were stolen from you. There was theft. It is possible that yes, practically a house was stolen from you, or there was a situation wherein a mess was created in your relationships at home. Somebody had created this mess, and you're going to overcome. A healing is coming in this environment, or might be a job was taken away from you. Career, something ended which is going to manifest for you. Then they say grasshopper situation in the balance that require careful handling. So situations, there is a situation which requires careful handling, because there is a lot of love in this relationship. There is manifestation of love in this relationship. Beware of greed. I feel that this message can be for my Capricorn friends only, that beware of greed. You are going to harm your relationships. The way you are dealing with your relationships, your loved ones, you have to be very careful in this week. And with love and care, there can be a solution to the problem which just occurred during the Mercury retrograde season. Might be there was an outburst, there were fights, there was some kind of an unhealthy situation which happened, and they say ask your angels. Yes, ask your angels, divine, ask a spiritual person around you, and you will be guided to bring healing in this situation and remain positive. Yes, remain positive, as the universe is going to manifest everything in your favor. It's a very, very beautiful week of marriages being manifested for some, of offers of moving to another country, state, offers of new job, working from home, retirements for some, blessings from grandparents, financial blessings coming in, healing in the relationships happening, stability, security in your home. Whatever was stolen from you, whatever was taken away from you is now going to be blessed back. Manifestation of childbirth can happen for some of my Capricorn friends. Remain positive. Lots of love for all of my Capricorn friends. And now we are moving on to the next zodiac sign of Aquarius. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarius friends. I am hoping something good, some good energies for my Aquarius friends. Let's see. Wow, there is an offer coming for our Aquarius friends, an offer of soulful joy, an offer of healing, an offer of job, an offer of marriage, an offer of love, an offer of childbirth. Very, very beautiful time frame for my Aquarius friends. Beautiful, and you are already feeling like a magician. So there was a situation around you where there was a lot of stress. In the last weeks, 7 to 10 days, I feel that you've taken a lot of healings from our YouTube channel, or might be from anywhere, and there is a manifestation of a wish that has happened for you. You have manifested one desire, or you are in the process of manifesting a big wish fulfillment, and a lot of healing is coming towards you. You are gaining balance in your chakras now, and you are leaving the stressful situations behind. Lot of There was a situation in your body, might be in your health, because of which there was an imbalance in your inside, your inner chakras, and because of the healings that you took, the divine got connected with you, and a lot of balance has come in your body. In the coming week, these stresses are going to go away. These fights in the families are going to settle down. These stresses in the office, businesses and professions are going to settle down. Your health is going to gain strength, and you are going to move towards spirituality, and a big wish is going to be manifested for you. Zodiac signs of Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo and Aquarius are very, very evident in the coming week. I feel there is an offer that is coming towards you from a Sagittarius person. Beautiful, dear friends, and there is a lady over here. So there is something with regard to this lady. So yeah, there can be a love offer or a business offer that is coming towards you from a lady, or might be you were stressed because of a third party situation because of this lady, and might be this stress is over in your life now. And so there's a card which says work, achievement, success. So this is a beautiful week of a success, name, fame, recognition in your work area. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And they say use your intuition to make beneficial change. So there is a change heading towards you. There is this very refined lady who can be evident during this coming week, and she can be Sagittarius sign woman, or can be an Aquarius or water sign also. And it's a very beautiful time frame for you, wherein a lot of healing has occurred for you, and a time frame, if you were looking for a year from now, might be your manifestation may occur wholly within a year. If there was a balance, you're taking some healing course or something you're pursuing, so you will be prepared in a year's time. So beautiful energies for my Aquarius friends. Lots of love and best wishes. Divine is absolutely connected with you, and you need to have a diplomatic approach in your relationships. Lots of love and best wishes to my Aquarian friends. Now, last but not the least, moving on to our Piscean friends. let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Energies for the coming week for our Piscean friends. Oh wow, healing, lot of healing proposals coming. Oh my god, it's a week of manifestation, just like for my Leo friends, it's a week of manifestation. Beautiful energies for my Piscean friends. Yes, it's a week of manifestation of love. It's a week of manifestation of healing. It's a week of manifestation of a new job, movement to another country. It's a week of manifestation of good health. A healer is coming towards you. Zodiac signs of Piscean, Cancer, and oh my god, I hear drums. It's a manifestation of marriage for some of my friends. There is a reconciliation. Somebody from your past in this life or a past from your past life is coming as a soulmate towards you with an offer of love. Either you have an offer of love for them or they have an offer of love for you, and there is a manifestation of marriage happening, because if you can hear in the background, there are drum beatings for marriage. Beautiful time frame for you, my dear friends. And if you were seeking yes, if you were wishing to move abroad, an offer of settlement to another country or state, yes, that can manifest for you. You are absolutely in your power. I feel that there was a situation of crossroads for you in past, wherein you were confused, as if you know a certain situation will manifest in your favor or not. And yes, clarity is coming towards you. You have all the tools of manifestation for you. There's a big time healer around you who is blessing you. There is also blessing coming from your parents, your deceased loved ones in heaven. There is a middle person over here, I feel. Yes, Cancer sign is very evident. Piscean, Scorpio, Aquarius. So all the misunderstandings that were there are going to clear out in this week, and I see light-hearted, carefree time ahead for you. You are reuniting with your friends. Lot of healing is coming towards you. If you were taking healings from our YouTube channels, yes, healing is coming. And they say boot, increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So I feel some of you are going to travel also in this week, and for some of you there is a guidance that make a move towards your partner or towards your business opportunities. Travel to if you want to manifest a big time business, which can be your second chance. Might be you're approaching some buyers from another countries who are capable of giving you a big business as your second chance. Move towards them, travel towards them. And for some of my other friends, there is a business of boots might be you're looking for. For some of my friends, I feel there is a reconciliation happening wherein your lover, your partner was away from you. For some of my friends, there is a manifestation of childbirth happening. For some of my friends, in this week, you're going to meet your parents or some kind of an ancestral home or property is manifesting. And yes, there is a confirmation within the next few weeks. So if there is a manifestation of a marriage that you were looking for, a commitment or a job, a movement, it is going to happen very soon for you within the next few weeks, which I can say within a month or two it will happen for you. It's a very blissful time frame for my Piscean friends, and I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. And over here also I want to name one of my Piscean friends. Why I'm not remembering her name. One, I want to give a shout out at Ritika. It is Ritika. It is going to be Ritika Tiwari. It is going to be a time frame of manifestation of divine love for you, your partner, the one who you are seeking. Piscean, Cancer, Scorpion. If he is one of them, or Aquarian, can be your soulmate from past life as well. Akanksha Sharma, I want to give a shout out at you. There is going to be a reconciliation with your partner. Definitely I see good hope manifesting for you people. And all of my other Piscean friends also, I see your partners traveling towards you. Lots of love and best wishes. Past life healing is going to happen for many of my friends. If you were taking past life healings from our YouTube channel, you are being healed. So I wish you all the best, all of my friends on Healing Souls. Lots of love and best wishes for the coming week.